Here are some steps for how to use tool44.com to build your website for free. 1. Sign up. Log in onto tool44.com. Visit the website and create your account by providing the required information. To activate your account, check your email for a confirmation message from tool44.com and follow the instructions to activate your account. 3. Log into your account and complete your profile. Navigate to your profile settings. Fill in all the necessary details to complete your profile. 4. On the left menu, under the Cell tab, add your product services. 5. For adding a product service, click on the Add Product or Service tab at the top. You can manually add the details or use the features provided by tool44.com. 6. For adding a website. After adding your product or service, click on the Technology tab on the left side menu. Then, click on the Add Website button at the top. 7. Fill in all the necessary details regarding your website, such as the name, description, and URL. Submit the information. 8. For linking product service to the website, go back to the Product Service tab on the left side menu. Find your product or service and click on the Add to Website button at the bottom. Fill in the quantity for products and click on the Add button. 9. Review your website now. You can view all your products or services on your website. Make any necessary edits or adjustments as needed. By following these steps, you can easily build your website and showcase your products or services using tool44.com.